was young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times and not so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone. But they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every is young, everyone still shine. Every shade that they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where it's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. But what songs of love that I would sing to them, and that memorizes word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Every is young, everyone still shines. Every shade that they're starting to sing so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can never make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Every shine, everyone still shines. Every shade that they're starting to sing so fine.